Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a simple moisturizer for your natural hair while in a protective low manipulation hairstyle. So I'm just showing you the style that we did. Yeah, so like I did this simple cornrows, not cornrows, but flat twist hairstyle. Protective hairstyles. So like I really love low manipulation hairstyles because they don't wreak havoc on your edges. As you can see, like I don't do high maintenance hairstyles, so I had to learn how to braid my hair, and I'm so excited because I'm getting better and better every day. So like practicing makes perfect. Have you seen? Like I can't really believe it. Yes, we praise the Lord for everything. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. To my 93 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So on this channel, we upload videos every day, so make sure that you check out for videos every day. And I'm super excited. Like my friends, I opened another channel for Christ-like lifestyle. It's called Your Word My Prayer. So I'll link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. Look at that. I really love that. So like moisturizing your hair while in a protective hairstyle will prevent breakage, will prevent tangles, hence promoting hair growth. So actually the hair mist which we're going to make today, it's a growth like hair mist. Yes, which will promote hair growth while you are in a protective hairstyle. So you don't have to, like forget your hair while you're in protective hairstyle. That's the reason why like most of the people lose hair, because they don't take care of their protective hair while in protective hairstyle. So we are going to use tea tree essential oil 0.5, those 100 ml of water, and our water. We also need a spray bottle, so our water is 100 ml, and we also use a spray bottle or a hair mist. Yes, so like tea tree essential oil has powerful cleansing, antibacterial and antimicrobial properties when used topically. It can help unplug, hair follicles and increase growth. A 2013 study even found that a mixture containing tea tree oil and minoxidil was more effective than just the minoxidil alone. So we're also going to use our glycerin. So glycerin is an excellent ingredient in skincare and hair products. It's also widely used in shampoos, conditioners, soaps, body lotions, etc. So glycerin is a converted ingredient in skin, hair, body products because it's a humectant. So it has properties like it can draw moisture from the atmosphere and retain it in hair and skin. Glycerin moisturizes the scalp, promotes healthy hair. So glycerin also hydrates hair, softens the hair, and smooths the hair. It prevents dandruff. So dandruff is actually a common issue and can easily be cured by using, or cleansing your scalp or hydrating your scalp. Yes, so like we are done at this point putting in all our ingredients. You can even go in with an oil, but in this case we're not going to add an oil because this will be a quick moisturizer like for your hair. So make sure that you shake it. Once you are done, make sure that you apply liberally to your hair. So like water is a premier actually source of moisture, and it's the best thing for your hair. So you have to make sure that water doesn't miss in your DI moisturizer. So this is a quick DI moisturizer which you can easily make within a shortest possible time. Yes, so dear friend, are you going to make this? Yes, so we're just like rubbing it in with our hands. You don't have to manipulate your hair. This is very important. As you have seen, like there's no any manipulation. Yes, we just simply moisturize your hair without manipulating it. So that is how our hair looks like. It's so well moisturized. We are preventing breakage, no more tangles. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.